All right, for our ongoing class, now we're working on getting to know you, using that D7 suspended to a D7, and then we're adding another little layer with an A minor, and then coming back to the D7. Let's see how we can put it into the song. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Getting to know you, getting to know all about you, getting to like you, getting to hope you like me. Well, we could pull this off because we had a whole bunch of measures that we can add these chord progressions to. So let's just do this one more time. And just a reminder, again, I'm doing a D7SUS to a D7 to an A minor, which means I'm just lifting my middle finger off the fretboard, and then back to the D7. That is in lieu of the other option, which was an A minor to a D7. So, FYI, when I'm performing a song, I'll mix it up. I'll do the A minor to the D7. I'll do the suspended, just to keep things interesting for me and the audience, hopefully. So let's try it one more time. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Getting to know you, getting to know